All right, y'all, so we're back over here working on Dan's 60 Apache. Last we left off, he got the Porterbuilt for it, and we kind of went over what it's all about. But they're actually in here, they got it installed, got the whole truck torn apart, and let's go check out and see what these guys are up to. There's our next candidate. What year's that truck, Larry?
68.
68. We're gonna do a Porterbuilt on that, lay it out. What's up, Dan?
Yo.
How we doing?
Good.
Look at this thing, huh?
It's got the perfect rake now.
It's the perfect rake? Let me see, man. Yeah, what's that?
It's a little Cali lean, you know?
It's like reverse Cali lean, though.
That's true.
This is the face down, ass up. That's the way we like to leave that part out. Cool, man. Everything go pretty smooth. This thing's boxed from factory, huh?
Yeah,
oh, it's the X-frame, huh?
I didn't have to do any extraneous cutting or
That's cool.
notching or drilling out the center of the wheels or anything.
Yeah, all right. That sounds like a lie, but all right. So, I mean, you like the setup?
It's great.
Cool, man.
I mean, it's super clean.
Yeah. Looks good.
Building it yourself, that's for sure.
Yeah. No, they definitely have a great product. Just throw it in there. Oh, I never talked about this, but we got the Willwood Pro spindles for it. So it's actually a full billet spindle by Willwood, and the best part about it is that it's a sealed hub. So none of that bearing crap.
This has the go fast option on it.
The go fast, cool.
Yeah, you just keep going. There's no stopping.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, well, this is all mock-up for now. This is the early stages of the build. So we decided that we're not going to put the motor in because we want to see this thing laid out on the ground. So we're going to go ahead and get the rear end out of here. There's some old shitty rusty bolts that we don't need, so we're gonna torch them off. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Get in there, son. Woo! For IRS and the LT. None of this old junk. Yeah, I gained a three-way. We gotta do it like all three. Yeah, there we go. Send it. Nice. Sweet. All right, well, that's it for now. Stay tuned for more updates. Again, thanks for watching. I can't see fucking anything. Just smoking now.
Someone get the air.
Odele, mamacita. Yeah.
I always envisioned that once the truck was on the ground, we'd have a stampede of women. But maybe once
Expectations and reality. I think it's just gonna be a bunch of dudes. Sick truck, bro.